when I shoot video for companies, I once in a while need a drone operator to shoot some beautiful B-roll of the company's location and surroundings. And I was reaching out to a friend of a friend, and he wanted $250 per day for shooting with his drone, but he didn't want to give me the raw footage. He only wanted to give me the color graded footage, which means I can't use it because I need to color grade the footage myself so it matches the footage I shoot in the company of the company. So that way he lost a lot of income because I would have used him a lot, but instead I found extraordinary nice company with what's it called, a great customer service. It's two guys, Danish company, which takes $900 for a full day of shooting with the drone, and of course they deliver it raw, the footage. Normally they won't deliver it raw, but they do it in my case because I need to color grade it so it matches my footage. They understand that. They understand their clients' needs, and that way they can charge a much higher price than the other guy can because he doesn't understand my needs or doesn't care, I don't know. So try to find out not only what your client is asking for, but your client's needs. Then you can charge a much higher price.